Good morning, Pancho. Good morning, Maria. You gonna say hello, Scotty? You gonna say hello, Scotty? You gonna talk with Daddy today? Are you gonna talk with Daddy? Oh, you want your Weeble? What? You want your Weeble? You want your what? Say hello, Scotty. Yeah, can you say hello? You gonna talk with Daddy today, Pancho? Oh. Oh. You ready to go downstairs for Daddy? Good morning, Pancho. Good morning, Maria. How's my babies? Oh. What? Oh, Pancho's a pretty boy. Oh. Don't be scared. Oh. Pancho's so pretty. Pancho's so pretty. Say hello, Scotty. Can you say hello, Scotty? You ready to go downstairs? Don't be scared. Are you scared? Don't be scared. Quit talking gibberish and talk clear. Say hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy? Hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy? Hello, Scotty. Oh. That's a Pancho gibbering away. No, you got to talk clear for Daddy. Come on, say it good. Say it good for Daddy. Say hello, Scotty. Oh, there you go. That's my baby. Daddy? Who's your daddy? Oh. Say, don't you bite Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. Can you say that for Daddy? Say, don't you bite Daddy. Are you going to strut for Daddy? Oh. 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 Pancho, say, don't you bite Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. And say that for Daddy. Now listen to Daddy. Listen. Hey, Pancho, are you ready? Now listen. You got to listen close. Say, don't you bite Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. Oh, say it. Come on, you say it all the time. How come you won't say it when I want you to say it? Huh? Oh, here's your Weeble. There he is, look at it. Maria, can you say hello, Scotty? Pancho? Say, don't you bite Daddy. Say, I'll kick your ass, boy. I'll kick your ass, boy. Say, I'll kick your ass, boy. Sneezy gonna do a trick for Daddy? Yay, Sneezy. Yay, Sneezy. Yay, Sneezy. Who's so pretty? Maria's so pretty. Maria's so pretty. Yay, Sneezy. So pretty. Sneezy, you gonna do a trick for Daddy? Yay, Sneezy. Woohoo, Sneezy. Maria gonna do a trick for Daddy. Maria saying, yay, Scotty. Say hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy? Poncho. Hey, don't shoot fight, Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. Maria. Oh, Scotty. Oh, Scotty. Say that for Daddy. Hello, Scotty. Hello, Scotty. You say that for Daddy? Say hello, Poncho. Say hello, Poncho. What? He's a weasel, Poncho. You gonna say, you ready to go downstairs? You ready to go downstairs? What? Who's scared? Don't be scared. What? Are you scared? What? What? Say hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy? Say hello, Scotty. Say hello, Scotty. Hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy? Can you say hello, Scotty? Maria, can you say hello, Scotty? Oh, hello, Scotty. Poncho, what's the matter with you? You ain't talking to Daddy today? You ready to go downstairs? You ready to go downstairs? Are you okay? Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? What? What? Hello, Scotty? Hello, Scotty? Can you say that for Daddy? Yeah. Yeah. What? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yay, Maria. Yay, Maria. She's so pretty. You gonna eat some of them eggs? Oh, Maria's hungry. I know, I know. Who's going downstairs? You ready to go downstairs? Say hello, Scotty. Hello, Scotty. Hello, Scotty. Look up here it is. Here's your Weeble, look. Here's your Weeble. See it up there? There's your Weeble, look. What? Don't be scared. Daddy's gonna go bye-bye. You gonna be good while Daddy goes bye-bye? Yay, Sneezy. Yay, Sneezy. So pretty. Yay, Sneezy. You wanna do a trick for Daddy? Sneezy so pretty. Whoa, whoa. All right. Yay, Sneezy. So pretty. Yay, Sneezy. Woohoo! Yay, Maria. Maria, so pretty. What? What's that? Say, don't you bite Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. You gotta go downstairs. I don't, what? Pancho? Say, don't you bite Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. What? What? What are you doing? Are you okay? Are you okay? Huh? Come here. What? What? Who's scared? Say, Maria ain't scared. Maria, can you say hello, Scotty? Hello, Maria. Hello, Maria. Maria, can you say hello, Scotty? Can you say that for Daddy? No, hello, Scotty. Say,
Hello, Scotty.
oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Can you say that for Daddy? Hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy? What? Say it. Say it like that. Say, hello, Scotty. Can you say that for Daddy?
Say hi to him.
What?
Scared me. Scared. Hi, Joe. You ready to come up? You ready to come up?
You ready to come out?
Yeah, today, Joe. I'm gonna have to go up. You ready to come up?
Who's ready to come out? You ready to come out? You ready to show off for Daddy? Can you strut for Daddy? Can you strut for Daddy? Huh? Show Daddy how you strut. Okay. Hello, Scotty.
Hello?
Scotty, you say that for Daddy? Well, I guess you're not going to say what I want you to say. I guess you're not going to talk like Daddy wants you to say. Don't you bite Daddy. I'll kick your ass, boy. What? You ready to come out? Are you ready to come out to Daddy? Oh.